This module is to revise national income accounting, mainly the national income and related aggregates. जो related aggregates होते हैं national income से, how they are related. Basically, there are three things which we will look at one after the other. The first one is market price and factor cost. मार्केट प्राइस और फैक्टर कॉस्ट में नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस का डिफरेंस है आपका मेनली. मार्केट प्राइस एंड फैक्टर कॉस्ट, द मेजर डिफरेंस इज ऑफ नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस, एंड दीज नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस आर इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स माइनस सब्सिडीज. सो अगर हम इसे स्टार्ट करते हैं, मार्केट प्राइस जो है वो फैक्टर कॉस्ट में जब हम नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस ऐड कर देते हैं, और फैक्टर कॉस्ट कैलकुलेट करने के लिए मार्केट प्राइस में से नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं. So GDP at market price is equal to GDP at factor cost plus net indirect taxes. और GDP at factor cost अगर देखना है तो it is GDP at market price minus net indirect taxes. Have a look at the last one. GDP at market price minus GDP at factor cost. Market price और factor cost का change है. Difference is of net indirect taxes. Gross and net. The differences of depreciation. Gross minus net is equal to depreciation. So net plus depreciation is equal to gross. Similarly, from GDP at market price, when I have subtracted depreciation, what I get is net domestic product at market price. वो gross से net हो जाता है figure. और जब net national product at factor cost में depreciation add कर दिया जाता है तो वो net से gross हो जाता है. So this is the difference between gross and net. Domestic and national, the difference is of NFIA, and this NFIA is factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad. So gross national product at factor cost में से when we have subtracted NFIA, that is GDP at factor cost, और NDP at market price में NFIA add कर दिया तो domestic becomes national, बाकी सब कुछ as it is. Net national product at factor cost is equal to NDP at factor cost. Domestic में NFIA add कर दिया, that becomes national. जो aggregates है related to national income, if you look at gross domestic product at market price, उसकी definition है market value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country in an accounting year. इसी को हम आगे adjustments करते हैं. Now we will have a look at a flow chart. We will have a look at flow chart through the board, and I'll be explaining that to you on board, that how from GDP at market price we can reach to the other related aggregates. But before that, have a look at these definitions once again. Market value GDP है. GDP at market price में से हमने depreciation subtract कर दिया to get net domestic product at market price. Number 3 aggregate GNP at market price. उसको भी GDP at market price से लिया है मैंने. GDP at market price में NFIA ऐड कर देंगे, what we get is GNP at market price. Net national product at market price, again from GDP at market price. Gross से net करना है तो minus depreciation, domestic से national करना है plus net factor income from abroad. GDP at market price से GDP at factor cost पे जाना है, तो it is GDP at market price minus indirect taxes plus subsidies, or I can say GDP at market price minus net indirect taxes. Subsidies add कैसे हो गया? क्योंकि net indirect taxes is equal to indirect tax minus subsidy होता है, तो minus minus जब करेंगे तो that becomes plus. Net domestic product at factor cost, GDP at market price से निकालना है. First changes of gross to net. Second, डोमेस्टिक टू डोमेस्टिक रहना है तो NFIA कुछ नहीं करना. सो इट इज GDP at market price minus depreciation minus net indirect taxes. Last two, gross national product at factor cost from GDP at market price minus net indirect tax करेंगे GDP at market price से, और NFIA ऐड कर देंगे. And last, net national product at factor cost from GDP at market price. 3 changes. पहला change gross से net minus depreciation. दूसरा change domestic से national plus NFIA. Third change, net indirect taxes minus करेंगे, we will get factor cost. Now the same thing I am explaining through the board also to understand it better. Please revise that and wish you all the best. This revision module is for national income and related aggregates. As you know that we have 8 related aggregates. I'll be starting from GDP at market price. GDP at market price हमारा main aggregate है जो calculate होता है either by value added method or by expenditure method. So I'll be showing you the relationship between GDP at market price with all the other aggregates one after the other. What is to be added, what is to be deducted. सिर्फ एक variable से बाकी सारे variables की relationships once I'll explain it to you for revision. This is mainly for revision which you must be knowing that how these related aggregates are different from each other. So let's start from GDP at market price to NDP at market price. कहाँ जा रही हूँ? GDP at market price से NDP at market price. Now this journey I can travel और इस जर्नी को मुझे G से N पर ले जाना है. That means gross से net पर लाना है. Gross and net, the difference is of depreciation. So I'll be writing minus this side because GDP at market price से minus होना है. क्या minus होना है? Depreciation. So this is the first variable where we have seen the relationship between GDP at market price or NDP at market price. सिर्फ gross से net जाना था, so what we have subtracted from gross is depreciation. Now I'll be moving from GDP at market price to NNP at market price. अब ये जर्नी ट्रैवल करनी है ग्रॉस से, ये जो फर्स्ट हमारा है ग्रॉस से नेट, दैट मींस इट इज माइनस डेप्रिसिएशन अगेन. ग्रॉस से नेट हो गया माइनस डेप्रिसिएशन. नेक्स्ट इज फ्रॉम डोमेस्टिक आई हैव टू मूव ऑन टू नेशनल. फ्रॉम डोमेस्टिक टू नेशनल मींस आई हैव टू ऐड. किसमें ऐड कर रहे हैं? जीडीपी एट मार्केट प्राइस से, क्योंकि एरो यहां से यहां चल रहा है. सो डोमेस्टिक को नेशनल बनाने के लिए प्लस नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड. प्लस नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड. क्या किया? ग्रॉस से नेट करने के लिए माइनस डेप्रिसिएशन, डोमेस्टिक से नेशनल करने के लिए प्लस नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड. मूविंग ऑन टू दिस वेरिएबल, फ्रॉम जीडीपी at market price to GNP at market price. Now gross, this gross remains gross. So we don't have to do anything with the depreciation here. From domestic to national, GDP at market price से gross national product at market price आना है. So we have to add. What do we have to add from domestic to national? Net factor income from abroad. We have to add net factor income from abroad. Now I'll be moving from GDP at market price to the next variable, that is net domestic product at factor cost. Gross से net, gross से net. So step number 1 minus depreciation. Gross से net पे जाने के लिए it is minus depreciation. Domestic product तो NFI का कोई यूज नहीं है यहां पर, क्योंकि डोमेस्टिक से हमें डोमेस्टिक ही चाहिए. बट फ्रॉम मार्केट प्राइस आई हैव टू रीच एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट. सो इट इज माइनस. मार्केट प्राइस में से माइनस करेंगे फैक्टर कॉस्ट लाने के लिए नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस. सो जीडीपी एट मार्केट प्राइस माइनस डेप्रिसिएशन माइनस नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस, वी गेट एनडीपी एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट. फ्रॉम जीडीपी एट मार्केट प्राइस to GNP at factor cost. Two changes from domestic to national means plus NFI. From domestic to national means plus NFI. From market price to factor cost, that means minus net indirect taxes. Plus NFI minus net indirect taxes, we get GNP at factor cost. Now from GDP at market price to GDP at factor cost, only one variable has to be changed. from market price से factor cost पर आना है हमें. market price में से net indirect taxes subtract कर दीजिए, we will get factor cost. Now factor cost, that is national income. From GDP at market price to net national product at factor cost. Have a look. From gross to national. Net. From gross to net. So it is, first is minus depreciation. ये depreciation कहाँ से minus हो रहा है? From gross, because arrow is moving over here. From domestic to national, that means plus net factor income from abroad. From domestic to national means plus net factor income from abroad. Now from market price to factor cost, that means minus net indirect taxes. From market price to factor cost, that means minus net indirect taxes. एक चीज जो याद रखनी है, net factor income from abroad. This is the difference between factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad. Net factor income from abroad is factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad. One more thing which we need to recall over here. What are net indirect taxes? Net indirect taxes are indirect tax minus subsidies. Net indirect taxes are indirect taxes minus subsidies. So these are the relationships between national income and related aggregates. If you'll remember this flow chart, gross and net differences of depreciation, domestic and national differences of NFIA, market price and factor cost, difference is of net indirect taxes. All the best.